Day 148 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again another day, another LeetCode problem, but you guys already knew we would be here. Why? Because part of this page is to encourage each other to stay disciplined and stay consistent, and I cannot encourage y'all to stay consistent and disciplined if I'm not staying disciplined and consistent myself, y'all. So just keep that in mind. Stay disciplined and stay consistent, y'all, with whatever you do. Just keep going, push through. Don't let the naysayers stop you. Don't let the imposter syndrome stop you. You got to keep going. Do not let any outside forces stop you, y'all. You guys know what you have to do. Y'all know what y'all want to accomplish, and it's up to you to stay disciplined and stay motivated and stay consistent until you accomplish your goals, y'all. Do not let anybody or anything deter you from accomplishing the goals you want to accomplish, y'all. There's going to be a lot of people along the way. They're going to tell you, oh, you can't do this, or oh, you're not smart enough for this, or oh, you'll never get that job. Don't listen to them, y'all. Just tune them out and keep going. Put your blinders on. Get in that tunnel vision mode and just keep going. Keep grinding these LeetCode problems every day. Keep working on that app you've been trying to build forever, y'all, until it's finished. Don't stop until it's finished, y'all. Keep going, push through, y'all. This is what this page is about, to encourage each other to keep going, y'all. And I hope y'all are still motivated. And if you're not still motivated, I hope y'all are at least still staying consistent and staying disciplined until the motivation comes back, y'all, because this journey is not a short journey. It's a long journey. It's a lifelong journey for some of us. So just stay consistent, y'all. Don't stop. Don't give up. Keep going, y'all. Now, with all that being said, don't forget, come over here, bring your mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, y'all. Then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, y'all. And then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers. I repeat, all of my bankers to the comment section right now. I need y'all to drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we can run up this engagement and we can do our part as Swift community members to help push this content out to a broader audience, y'all. We need to get as many people as possible interested in the Swift programming language, and in order to do that, we have to do our part to promote the Swift programming language. So yeah, thank y'all for y'all support, and let's get into the questions. Today we have question number 796, rotate string. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well, because we're all here trying to learn, and if you don't understand the solution, you probably won't learn anything, and that is not what we want. So let's see what the question says. It says, given 2 strings S and goal, return true if and only if S can become goal after some number of shifts on S. A shift on S consists of moving the leftmost character of S to the rightmost position. For example, if S equals a string A, B, C, D, E, then it will be a string B, C, D, E, A after one shift. So let's look at example 1 so we can really see what they're talking about. So in example 1, we have input S is equal to a string A, B, C, D, E, and goal is equal to C, D, E, A, B. The output is true. So the output is true because we were able to shift A to the end. So the A came right here. Well, let's type it out. We have A, B, C, D, E. So first we was able to shift the A all the way over here. Boom. Then we were able to shift the B as well. So when C, D, A, B as well. So what we did, we took this A, B. We just took this right here and we moved it right here. And that took 2 shifts. It took 1 shift of the A, and then it took another shift of the B. We just took the A and put it at the end. Then we took the B and put it at the end as well. And we were left with We were left with C, D, E, A, B, and that's true because we were able to accomplish or get this goal. We were able to get this string from this string by just shifting these 2 characters, by shifting these 2 characters to the end. We just took the A and the B and moved it to the end, but we did it 1 character at a time because each character equals 1 shift. And since we were able to do that, the output is true. So let's look at example 2 where it might not be the same, where the output is false because we were not able to make those shifts. So let's look at example 2. Example 2, we have S equals a string A, B, C, D, E, and goal equals another string A, B, C, E, D. So in the first string, we have A, B, C, D, E. This one we have A, B, C, E, D. The output is false because no matter how many shifts we do, we cannot get A, B, C, D, E to end up in this order, right? Because we can move the A like we did up here. We can move the B. It look like this. Then we can move the C and we put a C. It's still going to be D, E. No matter how we try to shift the characters, we're always going to end up with with a D, E. It's never going to be an E, D. And that's why the output is false. So say we have A, B, C, D, E, right? Then we shift the A. So we go B, C, D, E, A. Then we shift to B, we go C, D, E, A, B. Then we shift the C, we go we go D, E, A, B, C. Then we shift to D, we go E, A, B, C, D. Then we shift to E, A, B, C, D, E. We're back where we started, but nowhere in this, out of all these shifts, we just shift as many times as we can. Out of all these shifts, it's never ED. It's always DE. We never got A, B, C, E, D. These two letters will not shift. That's not how it works. So that's why the output is false, because we cannot get this from this. No matter how many times we could do all the shifts possible and we still will not end up with this. So that's why the output is false. So let's see how we're going to code that. The code is not difficult at all, y'all, so get ready for that, and let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is declare a variable. We're going to call that R1, short for array1. We're going to set that equal to an array of S. Open up the parentheses, put the S inside. Then we're going to do the same thing, declare another variable, call this R2. That's going to equal an array, open up the parentheses, of goal. Then we're going to come down here. We're going to say for underscore n 0 up to R1 dot count. We're going to open up the brackets. We're going to say if R1 is equal to R2, then we're just going to say return true. Then we're going to come down here. We're going to say else. We're going to say var t equals R2 dot last exclamation point, because it's an optional. And then we're going to come down here. We're going to say R2 dot insert open up the parentheses t at :0. Then we're going to come underneath that and we are going to say R2 dot remove last. Then we're just going to come outside of that for loop and we're going to say return true. Oh no, excuse me, y'all. We're going to return false. Now, let's run it. See how it runs. Make sure it runs properly before we submit it. Let's see. And it's accepted. So now let's submit it. Make sure it stays accepted, because you never know with these LeetCode problems. So let's see. Ooh, and there it is, y'all. 5 milliseconds beats 30.36% of users with Swift, y'all. Don't worry about the numbers. We're going to get the numbers later on. We're going to get the numbers up later on in our LeetCode journey. Right now, we just want to focus on getting the problem solved and understanding the solution that we solved the problem with. And I feel like this was a good solution for that. So don't worry about the time right now. Now, I hope y'all learned something today. Get one more look at the code, and I hope to see y'all tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. See you then.